Welcome to our video on using the Option Setup Wizard. This is part of Course 1, Tasks to Get You Started Using ProSeries. My name is M.B. Raymundi. I am a CPA from Trumbull, Connecticut. I have been using ProSeries since before Intuit purchased it, and teaching courses on ProSeries as well as some of the other Intuit products. I'm very happy to be here with you today. By watching this video, you will learn how to utilize the Option Setup Wizard and also to access help to learn more about the options. When you first set up ProSeries, it will walk you through the Option Setup Wizard, and you can get back to the wizard by looking under the Help menu. You want to make sure that you take the time to go through the options to get ProSeries tailored to your practice and how you want to use it. And please note that there is help on every screen. Use it. You might not be sure on how to answer a particular screen. Look it up in help. On our first screen, we have the choice of Express Setup or Custom Setup. Express will have you answer the essential questions to get the program running. Custom Setup is much more comprehensive. As we will be talking about setting up program options in another video in another way, we're just going to go through the Express Setup. So we have chosen Express, and we're going to click on Next. The first thing you need to set up is your firm and preparer info. To edit your firm information, all you need to do is click on Edit and fill in that information. To add other firm info and preparers, if it's in white, pretty much you can change it. You will do it directly on this screen. Click on Next. ProSeries asks you if you are filing client returns electronically, which I would guess most of us are. So I'm going to say yes there and click on Next. On the electronic return originator screen, it is very important that you fill in your firm information and your firm address and your firm EFIN number. And if you're not sure what you need to be doing, go ahead and click on these links to the IRS publication and also go out to the IRS e-services page. The reason is that the information needs to be verified by Intuit and by the IRS, so you want to make sure that you have the correct information there. If I click on Next, it does ask me if ProSeries is installed on more than one computer, and the reason that is if this is a standalone installation, which mine is, then you will want to set up separate document control numbers on the different computers. We have a whole nother video on networking ProSeries if you're installing the network version, so if that's your case, you're going to want to make sure that you watch that video. Then the next question asks you about doing the electronic signature. If you're using the PIN number, do you want ProSeries to automatically generate the taxpayer's PIN numbers based on the last 5 digits of their Social Security numbers? And then how often do you want to check for e-file acknowledgments? Do you offer bank products? Global billing options. Again, if you're not sure what it means, go ahead and click on Help, and it will bring up help related to the screen that you are on. So basic options, recommendations, and then it gives you information on entering information on the screen. You then need to make sure you select which printers that you want, and you can choose different printers for your tax forms versus your client letters that maybe you have on letterhead, your client presentation printer, labels printer, and then if you were doing bank products, your bank products check printer. It does allow you to print a test page. You have a task scheduler, which we're going to talk about a little bit more in another video, but just having ProSeries automatically go out and look for certain information for you. And that's it. Congratulations. You have completed the ProSeries Option Setup Wizard, Express Setup. And then again, if you need to get back to this, then you go to the Help menu and choose the Option Setup Wizard. So you have now learned how to utilize the Option Setup Wizard and then to access help to learn more about those options. I thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I would encourage you to watch the other videos, not only in this course, but the other courses that are available out at the website to help you become a better ProSeries user.